the issues we face, the East Africa region has made tremendous strides in peace and security building in recent years.
Itememeka ngimasimasi alukria muntingoni. Yeni ngoni atamara ako apoya ko na akede angkriono. Asubaki ngako akrono ko kaililo kalotoma akiara angetunga.
This has been largely because of progressive governance and economic reforms implemented by partner states.
Yeni ngoni atamara asubaki na ngakrono dang kotere ngakro na kamorkina ka ngikunono iluche kortana jo kotau alotoma akwapana tona kiyangonna.
The problem, however, is poorly defined and marked borders on the continent that continue to impede the achievement of strong and sustainable regional integration.
Ikuskusete buchanga krono kalaka akamaluot kotere nyonte akrono tokonebe yo mamtani atiako mkukoryo angatunga.
Historically, borderlands have borne the burden of poverty, insecurity, displacement, climate change impacts, and inadequate food and water, among other problems.
Ebeyo akiseken kolani ngorot ngakron to nyebi yakan kukuronu alalang to ngalo kukur pay ara inke botok arase ada unikalan erika kolong to yeya gozit tanebu kullo yakatar nyolo marete iberdang enya sin ko lebo yerkech mama kiyar yakatar ngatunga lo kukur.
Seamless cross-border mobility among affected inhabitants, poor cohesion, building mechanisms, lack of joint management of shared natural resources, and gender insensitivity predispose border communities to the threat of insecurity and strife.
Ngichani lukote tokona makawa aberane anesoba korea kamojona kemuja akora kolongone yeyi nginya silwe na kanta ngatonga luber ali wor tokona iborengini ngese angata to anda ngali wor buliar ngatonga lo yakadi lo kukur lo muriate kukur tamad kori yakiyar kwa kinya sun kola kiyar kech mama kiyar yakatar.
Ladies and gentlemen, do these highlights affect our sub-region?
Ngaito toikang
East African partner states share common borders, communities, and natural resources straddling our boundaries.
Ngatunga luelo mitona kwa pana akide angikiriono pay emorete ngatunga emorete ngabaren emorete ngajape pay emorete nabo nginya kangakipe.
Varying degrees of persistent border and boundary challenges, including skewed colonial legacy pacts, competition for trans-boundary natural resources, and shifting natural features such as rivers that change course due to climate change, may cause friction from time to time.